Again, do it again.
She must be telling the truth. The Geiger counter says it's what? Says it's what?
Stop
Okay.
it.
20. What's Friday, Gloria?
Blue and gold day.
Wear your blue and gold to show your FFA spirit.
Obviously, we should be wearing some floral print shirts. Right here, I got a hibiscus on it, some Commodore, and some split leaf philodendrons right here. Yeah. Excuse my underwear.
Yeah, I have to like lecture her on why you should put your face in
Do that. It was really
I
scary.
told
Like,
you.
What'd you do?
Scared.
I lectured
Switching
her.
back and forth.
Really?
And what did you say when you were lecturing something about not putting your face in poo?
She just stared at me.
She didn't like have these big eyes of understanding.
Her eyes are always big.
But they're like,
Just
out.
stood there like you gave her the emergency shower.
Yeah.
oh, she just
Gagging.
showered too.
I gave her a bath, but I accidentally turned the shower on myself.
So you're gagging in the
So
shower.
you got it all cleaned up.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and do that again. Do that again.
And then pull back.
Okay. Ladies, are we ready?
What are we doing?
Were you thinking this
I
was
don't
funny?
know who wrote the script.
Move over Wednesday.
Yes! Yes! That's going in.